A .o file is compiled object code. Raw machine instructions output by a compiler waiting to be linked together into a finished executable program. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you link, inspect, or troubleshoot these compiled object files. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any O file. Let's try the simple solutions first. O files are compiled object code files generated by C, C++, and other language compilers on Unix and macOS systems. They contain machine code symbol tables, relocation data, and debug information that are combined by the linker to produce final executable programs or libraries. Unix O files typically use ELF executable and linkable format on Linux or Mach-O. Format on Mach-O.s. They contain compiled machine code sections including .text for code, data for initialized data, and BSS for uninitialized data, alongside symbol tables for the linker. An essential utility for interacting with O is recognized as GNU Compiler Collection, GCC, by the GNU project. Using a dedicated tool minimizes the security vulnerabilities associated with this format. Windows cannot interpret scripting languages automatically, requiring the proper toolset. Let's find the specific program that recognizes the file signature. Right-click the O file and hit Open with. Test GNU Compiler Collection, GCC, if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If your O file still refuses to open, stay calm. We're dealing with a highly specific O file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, linking object files. Use the system linker to combine O files into an executable. On Linux, run GCC, O program file 1.0 file 2.0 to link multiple object files. On macOS, use Clang or LD. The linker resolves symbol references between object files and produces the final executable binary. Next, inspecting contents. Use the nm command to list symbols in an O file showing function names and variable references. Use objump de to disassemble the machine code. On macOS, use OTool, TV for disassembly. The readelf tool on Linux displays detailed ELF section and symbol information. Finally, recompiling from source. O files are intermediate build artifacts generated from source code. If the O file is outdated or corrupted, recompile from the original source using GCC, C source part C, O output.o. Clean all O files using make clean and rebuild the project to ensure consistent compilation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.